Hey, what's up, guys? So today I've got this awesome multi-use tool. I've been wearing it for the better part of 2 weeks. You can see I've got it worn out. I love it. It's a sorry. My shirt was in my way. Anyway, it will hang just right there off my pants. And yeah, so it's a spork, a spoon, a fork. It's heavy duty. What we've got here, we've got some wrenches, Imperial wrenches, and some metric wrenches. We have a ruler, handy stuff, a bottle opener, and then alone this would be a great tool to throw in your bag, throw in your car, whatever. But this is what makes it so attractive to me. It hangs right off of my belt loop, so I can take it anywhere, and I can use it for anything, and I really do like that. Yeah, it's super cool, super simple. There's not a whole bunch to say about it. I mean, you can see what it is, and obviously, you can dig into some food there, and it cleans up really easy, really nice. Yeah. So anyway, yeah, this is really cool. Highly recommend it. Thanks, guys.